Welcome to the topic Permutations and Combinations Part 4. We have discussed about the permutations in Part 1, 2 and 3. In this video, I want to explain about the combinations. This is a combinations Part 1. In Part 1 of permutations and combinations, I have explained the difference in between permutations and combinations. Before watching this video, kindly please watch part 1 in this topic. Now see combinations. What is a combination? Here combination means simply selection. Combination means what? Simply selection. Permutation means that is arrangement. See, this is a box. This is a container. In this container there are some color bottles. See, there are three bottles, colors, yellow color, green color and red color. There are three bottles in this container which are in different colors. From this container, I want to select two color bottles. I want to select two color bottles. What are the chances? Suppose first one is yellow and second one is green. This is one of the selections. One is yellow and other one is green. Okay. Next, another one is green and red. And next one is yellow and red. Okay, completed. Yellow, green. And next one is green, red and other one is yellow and red. In combinations, order is not important. In combinations, order is not important. That's why here yellow, green is equal to green and yellow. Okay. See, yellow and green is equal to green and yellow, but in permutations concept that is different. In permutations order is important. In selections, selecting these two bottles is only one way, yellow green or green and yellow both are same, but in permutations both are different. So in combinations, combination is nothing but a selection of elements, and here order is not important. We have already discussed one example, color bottles. Pick two different color bottles from the container which contains three color bottles. One is yellow, next one is green, third one is red. What are the chances? Yellow, green, next green, red, next yellow and red. There are three possible ways, three selections. By using formula, we can say that 3C2. How many colors are there? 3. I want to select two colors. So 3C2. We can write this 3C2 as 3 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 minus 2 factorial. Here combination, C, not P. 3P2 means 3 factorial by 3 minus 2 factorial. But here 3C2 means 3 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 minus 2 factorial. That equal to here 3 factorial. 3 into 2 factorial, we can write like this, 3 into 2 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 minus 2 means 1 factorial. 2 factorial gets cancelled, then that equal to here 3 by 1 factorial means 1, so answer is 3. See, this is 1, this is 2 and this is Now see the formula for combination, NCR. NCR equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. NCR, C means a combination. Here total number of things are n. Select r things NCR equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. The number of combinations of n things taken r things at a time is NCR. Now see the definition of a combination. Each of the selections, here combination is nothing but a selection. Each of the selections which can be made by taking sum. Here taking sum means r. Some things from total number of things r. Sum or all of a number of objects is called a combination. All means here there are n things. I want to take n things at a time means NCN. Here some elements means R and here all elements means N. NCN equal to, now write the formula n factorial by, in the place of R there is n. So n factorial into n minus n factorial. That equal to n factorial gets cancelled. So here 1 by n minus n means 0 factorial. 0 factorial is equal to what? Not 0, that is 1. 1 factorial equal to 0 factorial equal to 1. That equal to 1 by 1, 1. NCN is equal to 1. Each of the selections which can be made by taking some or all of a number of objects is called a combination. Suppose see, same example, this is a container, this is a box which contains a number of color bottles. There are totally 12 color bottles in this container. From these 12 color bottles, I want to pick only 3 bottles. I want to select only 3 bottles. In the selection order is not important. I want to select how many bottles? 3 bottles from this container. This container has how many bottles? 12 bottles. So, what is the formula? 12C3. 12C3 equal to 12 factorial by here 3 factorial into 12 minus 3 factorial. Now see some examples. 6C3. 6C3 equal to 6 factorial by 3 factorial into 6 minus 3 factorial. 6 minus 3 factorial. That equal to 6 factorial by 3 factorial into 6 minus 3 means 3 factorial. 6 factorial. What is the result? 6 factorial. 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Or I want to write like this. 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. Then here at denominator 3 factorial into 3 factorial. This 3 factorial gets cancelled. Then here 3 factorial means what is the result? 6. This 6 and 6. Here 3 into 2 into 1, 6. 6 into 6 gets cancelled. So 5 into 4 is 20. Okay. Now see another example, 8C4. Now I want to explain in another way. This is very important in the solving of these combination problems. 8C4. Actually by using formula we can write 8 factorial by 4 factorial into 8 minus 4 factorial. Without using that formula, write like this. 8C4 starts from 8 at numerator. 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. Okay, write 4 numbers. Decrease 1 by 1. 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. Only 4 numbers at numerator. Because here 8C, what is the value? 4. By at denominator write 4. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Now cancel. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 and 4 into 2 gets cancelled. 3 cancelled. 2 times 8. 6. So what is the result? 7 into 5 is 35 into 2 is 17. Now see 10C2 equal to 10C2. Here 10 into 9 up to 2 numbers. 10 into 9. Then 2 into 1. 5. 5 into 9 is 45. Now see NC0. NC0 n factorial by 0 factorial into n minus 0 factorial equal to 0 factorial is nothing but 1. So here n minus 0 factorial is equal to n factorial. This n factorial cancel. So 1 by 1 is equal to 1. NC0 is equal to 1 and NC1 equal to n factorial by 1 factorial into n minus 1 factorial. N factorial, we can write n factorial like n into n minus 1 factorial by n minus 1 factorial. Both are cancelled. So n. Here NC1 is equal to what? N. Remember this, NC0 is equal to 1 and NC1 equal to n. Then NCn is equal to, already I have explained previously, NCn is equal to 1 n factorial by n factorial into n minus n factorial. So this is also 1. NC0 and NCn is equal to 1 but NC1 equal to n. See example, 7C0 equal to what? 7C0 is equal to 1. N is anything, any number. And 7C1 is equal to what? 7. Then 7C7 is equal to what? 1. Another important formula is NCR is equal to NCn minus R. NCR equal to NCn minus R. For suppose here 11C7, example is 11C7 equal to 11 factorial by 7 factorial into 11 minus 7 factorial. That is actual formula. Without using that formula, we can write like this. 11 into 10 into 9 into and so on up to how many numbers? Up to 7 numbers. Not up to 7. Up to 7 numbers. 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 5. Then here 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is very time consuming. Now see here NCR. NCR equal to NCn minus R. We can write like this. 11C NC n minus R means 11 minus 7. That equal to 11C what? 11C 4. Equal to 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 by here 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Now cancel 30 into 11. 330. Now see 3 into 2 is 6. Cancel and 4 cancel 2 times. This 2 cancel 3 times. This 3 cancel 3 times. And this 5 cancelled 2 times. 7 and 7 gets cancelled. Actually 7 into 6 into 5, 7 into 6 into 5 gets cancelled. Okay. Now see here 3 into 2 into 5 into 10. 3 into 5 is 15 into 2 is 30. 30 into 11 is 330. See. This formula is very important. NCR is equal to NCn minus R. Another formula is NCR equal to NCS. See, NCR equal to NCS. That implies R equal to S. Here NCR equal to NCS means R is equal to S or N equal to R plus S. N equal to R plus S. Another formula is NCR plus NCR minus 1. NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to N plus 1 CR. NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to N plus 1 CR. Now see the relation in between a permutations and a combinations formula. Here NPR equal to what? N factorial by N minus R factorial. Permutations formula. And the combinations formula is NCR is equal to N factorial by R factorial into N minus R factorial. Now see the relation in between these two. Here, this part is common in these two formulas, n factorial by n minus r factorial. So here we can write NPR is equal to r factorial into NCR. Yes or no? Here see, from this here in this place I want to write NPR. NPR equal to r factorial into NCR. Now see the first question. If 15C3R equal to 15C r plus 3, then find the value of r. NCR equal to NCS. Then that implies r equal to s. That is the formula. 3r equal to r plus 3. 3r minus r is equal to 2r equal to 3. Then r equal to 3 by 2. This is not possible. R is not in fractions, but here value is fractional value 3 by 2. This is wrong. Not possible. So go for next formula here. R is equal to s or r plus s is equal to n. Means n is equal to r plus s. What is the value of n? 15 equal to r plus s. This is r and this is s. 3r plus r plus 3. And 15 is equal to 4r plus 3. Implies 4r equal to 15 minus 3, that equal to 12. Then r equal to 3. What is the value of r? That is 3. Now see second question. Find the number of combinations by taking two letters. By taking means here selection. Selection is nothing but combinations. Already in question they have mentioned that is a combination. Find the number of combinations by taking two letters at a time from A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Take two letters from these four letters. What are the chances? AB and AC. Other one is AD. And BC, BD. And other one is CD. AB, AC, AD, BC, BD and CD. How many possible ways? 6. 6 selections are there. AB is equal to BA in combinations, because order is not important. Order is not matter in combinations. By using formula, how many letters are there? 4. 4 letters. 4C. Select 2 letters from these 4. 4C2 equal to 4 into 3 by 2 into 1. That equal to 6. Now coming to third question. In how many ways can a selection of 5 persons be made from 12 people? Totally there are 12 persons, 12 people. But we have to select how many persons? Select 5 persons or 5 people. There are some conditions. First sub question. When one man is already included. When one man is already included. Here for suppose select 5 persons directly from 12 people. What is the answer? 12C5. Yes or no? 12C5. But in first sub question, what is the condition? When one man is already included. Already included means already one man is selected. So they should select how many persons? 4. Already one man is selected means here we have to select 5 minus 1, that equal to 4 persons. Not 5 persons, because one man is already included. Selected man is already included means actually there are 12 people, but one man is already included means the remaining members are 11. Here 12 minus 1 people. So now formula is 12 minus 1 means 11 and C 4. 11C4 because one man is already included. Simply subtract 1 from this number of people and 1 from this 5. No need to select 5 persons because one man is already included means already selected. That's why we should select only 4 people from 11 people, not 12 people. When one man is already excluded, there is a difference in between included and excluded. Included means already the person is selected from these people. But here excluded means one man is excluded from these 12 people. But we should select how many members? 5 persons. So here answer is 12 minus 1C 5 equal to 11C5. One man is excluded from total people, so 12 minus 1. But we should select 5 persons, so 5. 11C5 is the result. Now see fourth question. In how many ways a cricket 11 be selected from 22 so that 2 particular members are always included and 4 others are always excluded? In how many ways a cricket 11 be selected from 22? From 22 members, we should select how many members? 11 members. Total, there are 22 members. We should select 11 members. What is the condition? 2 particular members are always included. Are always included means 2 particular members are selected. So, 22 minus 2 because 2 members are selected, included, and 4 others are always excluded. 4 others are always excluded means subtract 4 from these 22. 22 minus 2. These 2 are included and these 4 are excluded. C. And here included people means they are already selected. How many members? 2 members selected. 11 minus 2. Don't subtract 4 from this 11 because here we should select those 4 members. They are excluded from total members, not selected. So here 11 minus 2. 22 minus 2 minus 4 means what is the result? 22 minus 2 is 20 and minus 4 means 16. 16C, 11 minus 2 means 9. 16C, 9 is the result. I hope you understand all these questions very clearly. At the end there are 2 questions. Do practice and write your answers in comment section. If you like the way of explanation, please hit the like button and share to your friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.